This is my Quizlet I made on social skills, which is my IM topic. So I basically just named it social skills because that's what it's about. So my first flashcard says, why are social skills important? And then you can just click on it and it'll flip over like that. And then you can learn all. There's 3 reasons. Well, there's 2 reasons and one's wrong. So you can kind of make a little quiz out of that. Then you can go to the next one. What are good social skills to have? Flip it over. Next one, flip it over. Next one, flip it over. And then the last one, and flip it over. Then you can actually go down here and learn these. So it'll ask you which one you think is right. So, hello, my name is Ryan. What is your name? And then you go down here. It is this one. Then it'll just keep going. You just keep clicking the next ones. And that's basically it. So to create this, I just hit create, typed in my title, and then typed in all of the things I wanted to study.